Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in-depth reviews of products that matter. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a product that promises to transform your soil. This is the I Must Garden Soil Sulfur Pellets, touted as the best organic soil acidifier available in the market. Let's start with what this product is all about. The I Must Garden Soil Sulfur Pellets are designed to enhance the health and vibrancy of your plants by adjusting soil pH and providing essential nutrients. It comes in a convenient 5-pound shaker jar, making application a breeze. Whether you're growing hydrangeas, azaleas, or even vegetables like cucumbers and squash, this organic sulfur is tailored to meet the needs of acid-loving plants. Why should you consider using sulfur pellets in your garden? Firstly, it promotes lush growth and vibrant blossoms by lowering soil alkalinity and ensuring optimal pH levels. This not only improves the aesthetic appeal of your garden but also supports the overall health of your plants. Secondly, sulfur is a natural mineral that has been trusted in organic farming for centuries. Its ability to prevent yellow leaves, a sign of sulfur deficiency, underscores its importance in plant nutrition. Now, let's talk application. Using the I Must Garden Soil Sulfur Pellets is straightforward. Simply break up the topsoil in your garden or flower pots, sprinkle the pellets evenly, and water thoroughly. This allows the sulfur to integrate into the soil, where it can begin its work of promoting healthy plant growth. The shaker jar ensures controlled and precise application, minimizing waste and maximizing effectiveness. How does it stack up against other soil acidifiers? In terms of organic options, few products rival the effectiveness and user-friendliness of these sulfur pellets. Its competitive pricing and long-lasting benefits make it a worthwhile investment for both casual gardeners and enthusiasts alike. When considering the long-term health of your plants, opting for an organic solution like this can make all the difference. In conclusion, the I Must Garden Soil Sulfur Pellets earn our recommendation as the best organic soil acidifier on the market today. Its natural composition, ease of application, and proven results make it a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their gardening experience. Whether you're tackling chlorosis in your hydrangeas or aiming for richer, greener foliage, this product delivers where it counts. That wraps up our review of the I Must Garden Soil Sulfur Pellets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert product reviews. Drop your comments below if you've tried this product or have any questions. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, signing off.